We will study vitamins. Vitamins are of two types. First is water soluble vitamin and second is fat soluble vitamin. Water soluble vitamins are B complex vitamin and vitamin C. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D and K. Today we will study about B complex vitamin. B complex vitamin today we will study about thiamine. Thiamine or vitamin B1. Thiamine is water soluble vitamins. It has a specific coenzyme, thiamine pyrophosphate, that is TPP. It is mostly associated with carbohydrate metabolism. Chemistry. Thiamine contains a pyrimidine ring and a thiazole ring held by a methylene bridge. The alcohol group of thiamine is esterified with phosphate to form the coenzyme thiamine pyrophosphate (TPP) or carboxylase. The pyrophosphate moiety is donated by ATP and the reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme thiamine pyrophosphate transferase. Now, biochemical functions of thiamine. The enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase catalyzes oxidative decarboxylation, the irreversible conversion of pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme. The reaction is dependent on thiamine pyrophosphate. Second, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase is an enzyme of the citric acid cycle. This reaction requires thiamine pyrophosphate. Third, the transketolase is dependent on thiamine pyrophosphate. This is an enzyme of HMP shunt. Fourth, the branched chain alpha ketoacid dehydrogenase, that is decarboxylase, catalyzes the oxidative decarboxylation of branched chain amino acids, that is valine, leucine and isoleucine, to the respective ketoacids. The enzyme requires thiamine pyrophosphate. Thiamine pyrophosphate plays an important role in the transmission of nerve impulse. Now, recommended dietary allowance. In normal adult, the dietary allowance is 1 to 1.5 mg per day. In children, it is 0.7 to 1.2 mg per day. During pregnancy, lactation, old age and alcoholics, it is about 2 mg per day. Dietary sources of thiamine: cereals, pulses, oil, seeds, nuts and yeast. Thiamine is mostly concentrated in the outer, that is bran of cereals. Polishing of rice removes about 80% of thiamine. Animal foods like pork, liver, hard, kidney, milk, etc. also contains thiamine. Now, deficiency symptoms. The deficiency of thiamine results in a condition called beriberi. Beriberi is mostly seen in population consuming polished rice. The early symptoms of thiamine deficiency are loss of appetite, weakness, constipation, nausea, mental depression, peripheral neuropathy and irritability. 2. Numbness in the legs, complaints of pins and needles sensation. Now, biochemical changes in thiamine deficiency. Carbohydrate metabolism is impaired. In thiamine deficiency, carbohydrate metabolism is impaired. Accumulation of pyruvate occurs in the tissues. Normally, pyruvate does not cross the blood-brain barrier. In thiamine deficiency, an alternation occurs in the blood-brain barrier, permitting the pyruvate to enter the brain directly. Pyruvate accumulates in brain, resulting in disturbed metabolism that may be responsible for polyneuritis. Third, thiamine deficiency leads to impairment of nerve impulse transmission due to lack of thiamine pyrophosphate. Fifth, the transketolase activity in erythrocytes is diminished. In adults, two types of beriberi is found, that is wet beriberi and dry beriberi. Infantile beriberi is also seen. Now, wet beriberi. Wet beriberi is also known as cardiovascular beriberi. This is characterized by edema of legs, face, trunk, and serous cavities. Breathlessness and palpitation are also present. The calf muscles are slightly swollen. The systolic blood pressure is raised while diastolic pressure decreased. Fast and bouncing pulse is observed. Death may occur due to heart failure. Now, dry beriberi. Dry beriberi is associated with neurological manifestations resulting in peripheral neuritis. The muscles becomes progressively weak and walking becomes difficult. Two symptoms of beriberi are often mixed in and is referred as mixed beriberi. Now, infantile beriberi. This is seen in infants born to mothers suffering from thiamine deficiency. Infantile beriberi is characterized by sleeplessness, restlessness, vomiting, convulsions, and bouts of screaming due to cardiac dilation. Fifth, Wernicke-Korsakoff's syndrome. This disorder is known as cerebral beriberi and is mostly found in chronic alcoholics. Insufficient intake or impaired intestinal absorption will lead to the syndrome. In this syndrome, there is loss of memory, apathy, and rhythmical to and fro motion of eyeballs. Now, thiamine deficiency due to thiaminase and pyrithiamine. The enzyme thiaminase is present in certain seafoods. Their inclusion in diet will destroy thiamine and lead to deficiency of thiamine. Pyrithiaminase is structural analog and antimetabolites of thiamine is found in ferns. And cattle often develop thiamine deficiency due to overconsumption of plant food. Thank you.